Model 902 Edge Bander installation tutorial. Received one mainframe. Mounting accessories. First install the runners. Thread the fluids through the top of the bracket. Thread in and tighten the lower screw with a wrench. Adjustment of the height of the runners by means of screws on both sides. Adjust until flush with countertop. Fluid strip assembly complete. Assembly of auxiliary trays. Install the tray on the right side of the machine on the end plate side. Just put the screws underneath and fasten them. Auxiliary tray assembly completed. Assembly of pallet trays. Attach the bracket to the back of the machine. Screw. Assembling a triple rod holder. Thread the riser screws into the square tube. Put on the 3-bar bracket. Put on the pallet. Assembly vacuuming. Put it on and tighten it with a screwdriver. Outlet connection bag. Just tie the rope directly to tighten it. Vacuum assembly complete. Remove the control box. Fixed to the countertop. Just tighten it with screws. Complete machine assembly completed.